Jay?
I was just looking for you. Billy? Oh my God.
I can't feel anything.
Hold this. Hold it. Close your fingers around it. Hold it up. Hold it up. Hold on, Billy.
Occupation?
Picture it. He's hurt his hand. We need a doctor.
Are you his wife?
No.
Are you a relative?
No.
Then I'll have to ask you to wait outside.
Jay?
My friend cut his hand. It's bleeding very deeply. Is there one of you? Ma'am, please, help. Is this not America? Is baseball not America's favorite pastime?
Can I help you?
Are you a doctor?
Yes.
Thank you, God.
Jay!
I'm right here.
Jay, call Mike Udall.
What?
The trainer in Detroit. Call him. Tell him what happened.
I'm going with you.
Sorry, there's not enough room in the medevac. You're gonna need to stay here.
Jay! Call Mike. He's the most important person for me right now.
There's a little flare just by Howell's glove into right field. Here comes Sinski. Colborn waves him to the plate. The throw, he is in there. And the Tigers take a 1-0 lead.
Oh, what a great slide by Sinski, sliding away from the play at the plate. And Jim Colborn, the third base coach, didn't even hesitate. You have your catcher, the slowest guy in your team, coming around third trying to score in a scoreless ball game. Had no hesitation at all, sent him all the way. You see the catcher have to reach back for the ball.
It's all bullshit, Billy. Don't listen to it. You've done it all. You've won every award there is to win. You've got a room reserved at Cooperstown, Billy. I just don't know how much more you have to prove. And even if you do come back, you're not going to be 100%. Billy, you may not even be 50.
What'd you say?
Nothing. Let's knock off for today. Jane's here.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
You said if.
I didn't mean if.
Yeah, but you said if.
Come on, I only meant that.
You think I'm not coming back?
Billy,
Say it.
you're tired. Let's quit this.
Say
all
it,
right?
chicken shit. You got a job. That's to get me strong and get me back. All right? You get me back. I'll figure out how to win. You want to work with me tomorrow? You get your mind right. You get it right, or you don't come around me.
You mad at me or at Mike?
Why would I be mad at Mike?
Practically tore his head off. Talk to me.
Talk? You don't want to talk. You just want to give me your version of why I should quit. I want this shit out of here.
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to make me mad? You're gonna pack up my things and make me go so you can sit here in the dark and feel sorry for yourself? Well, forget it, Billy. You can't cook. You can't drive.
I'll hire somebody to drive me.
Someone who doesn't talk, doesn't think bad thoughts. Billy, we are gonna get through this. You just have to try. We've got to be...
God damn it, Gene. I'm the only one who is trying here. Now I got nobody in the front office. Nobody in the press. And now I got nobody in this house that thinks I'm gonna make it back.
I have been nothing but supportive of
I
you.
want you here, Jane. I mean, don't you get it? You make me feel distracted. You make me feel weak.